Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties. Article 22. Withdrawal of reservations and of objections to reservations. 1. Unless the treaty otherwise provides, a reservation may be withdrawn at any time, and the consent of a state, which has accepted the reservation, is not required for its withdrawal. 2. Unless the treaty otherwise provides, an objection to a reservation may be withdrawn at any time. 3. Unless the treaty otherwise provides, or it is otherwise agreed. A. The withdrawal of a reservation becomes operative in relation to another contracting state only when notice of it has been received by that state. B. The withdrawal of an objection to a reservation becomes operative only when notice of it has been received by the state which formulated the reservation.